Let's learn some words today that tell us how in a special way. They're called adverbs. Come along, we'll sing and learn with this fun song. Adverbs tell us how it's done, like quickly, slowly. Isn't that fun? They also tell us when things happen, like now, tomorrow, or yesterday again. Adverbs tell us where to go, here, there, everywhere, you know. They tell us how often to, always, sometimes, never. That's true. Adverbs are words we use each day. They tell us more